that faded love, that faded. Hello guys, it's me, Nikki.
So in today's video, I'll try to recreate a NIKKIETutorials makeup, a look that she posted, I think, like a month ago. I will try to follow her steps and to, you know, do everything basically how she is doing her makeup. I don't have the exact makeup products she is using, but I will try to find something in my makeup collection quite similar. And you always ask me to create a very glamorous full coverage makeup look with baking, with a lot of shadows, with a lot of foundation. And I think NIKKIETutorials is just perfect for that. I mean, recreating one of her looks because she is the queen of full coverage. She is the queen of a lot of makeup. And I'm very curious to see if this will look good on me or not. So let's get that. Okay guys, now as a base, she's using the Versailles Unicorn Essence Oil, which I don't have. And then the Cover FX Custom Blood Drops. So for mattifying her T-zone. And I will be using the Onomie Powerful Priming Serum because this has some shimmery particles in it and it's very light as well, and also it's quite hydrating, gives me that glow. And she is using a very fluffy kind of brush, probably synthetic to apply this. I will use this one. It's kind of the same shape. It's actually natural bristles, so probably not the best, but you can see that this gives me that glow. For the foundation, she's using Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion foundation, and again I don't have that, but it seems like a very just full coverage kind of foundation, so I will be mixing my Suqqu Frame Fix and my Catrice HD foundation. And she's applying a lot of foundation, so I shall do the same, right? Okay, is that enough? I hope it's enough. Next, she's applying her concealer and she uses a brush to apply the product, and then she blends everything with the beauty blender. So I will be using this brush from Jouer and a little bit of my Cinema Secrets concealer because I don't have the NARS Soft Matte concealer. Okay, and I will apply a lot. And as a base on her eyes, she also is using the MAC concealer, so I will apply this in here as well as a base too. Wow, you have no idea how much I applied. Like, if this at the end will look good, it changes everything. And now to set my other eyes, I will use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Do I need to apply more actually? I think she's setting only her under eyes, am I right?
The first shade I'm going in with is by the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and it's the Fiery Orange.
Okay, so for the Fiery Orange, I will use this shade from my Viseart palette, so this orangey shade. And she is actually applying this directly on her concealer, her base. So I will try to do the same and to blend this very, very well. Now, usually when I'm doing a very complicated eye makeup, I don't like to apply the foundation first, but oh, Nikki.
Once that is applied, I go in with the yellow and apply it just a little bit above as a softer transition. Very soft to the skin. So don't put too much pressure on it, just very small feathery strokes. This is one of those looks that looks atrocious till the very last step, which is lashes. So if at any point you are recreating this look and you're like, oh my god, what is this nonsense? Wait till the very end. Don't give up.
Okay, girl. No, because I don't have the exact purple shade, I will be mixing this blue with a bit more of this purple. And this will be our transition, I hope. I'm just trying to do something, and so far it looks horrible.
Because we have lost all stickiness from applying the shadow over top of the base, I'm reapplying a bit of that concealer to get the stickiness back for maximum coverage.
Okay, so I'm taking a little bit of concealer. Wow. So I will be applying a little bit in here to have that stickiness again. I don't know why I feel horrible doing this. Next, I will be mixing this shade with a black because she's using a very blackened navy color. And I will be pressing that in here. Oh my god, right now this looks so bad. It's very hard to blend this color, especially when you have the concealer underneath. Like, to have that smooth transition, this looks like a mess.
Now I'm cutting the lid using a little bit of that same
Again?
concealer, and I'm doing a spotlight smoky eye, so it's just focused on the center.
Okay, now let me apply again the concealer. And she also creates like a cut crease in here and blend this very well. As a silver, I will take this from the Natasha Denona palette and I will try to blend that together, blend the two colors together. For the glitter part, I don't have the NYX's glitter glue, so I will be using this VDL. This is like a cream pigment cream glitter in a way, so it should work as a base. And then I will apply actually her glitter in collaboration with TooFaced from her collab that she did 2 years ago. Now she's highlighting her brow bone with a very like a glowy yellowy highlighter, so I will be using this shade from the ColourPop palette, and I will apply this on my brow bone. Ah boy, the Moonshot. I need to blend this, oh my god, very well. And for the icy blue inner corner highlight, the only icy blue highlighter I have is from the Aurora palette, so I will take this one. Okay, I will take my Eyeko kohl liner in black. This is super intense. And I'm smudging and setting this with this black shadow from Kat Von D. Okay guys, so I just realized that she has actually her brows done. So I don't know why I didn't notice that. Okay, so I will quickly do my brows. I will do very graphic brows. Okay, and now let's apply lashes. She has some really dramatic lashes and I think I will be using these. So for bronzing, I will be using my Girlactik bronzer in Cabo, which is... And I will bronze my face. This is a Japanese brush. And now for sculpting, I will use the Senna Cosmetics 90s palette and my raw umber shade. I will sculpt. Now for the blush, she is using Fairly Precious from MAC, an extra dimension blush, so it has a bit of shimmer in it. That color is like a peachy rose gold, so I will actually apply a little bit of Ofra Mai Tai, and on top I will just add more highlighter. My favorite. Oh no, she has a lot of highlighter on. She is actually applying not highlighter right now, but she is applying powder underneath her contour. I think I need to apply more, right? Now going back to the highlighter, she applied also some highlighter on her nose and in here as well, as I can see. Okay, and now let's check this. And for the lips, she is actually using a very odd color. It's called Pink Champagne Shimmer from Jouer. I don't have that, so I will... It's like a pinky brownie color, so I will use my TooFaced nude lip pencil. And she is actually applying that only on her upper lips. Next, she is applying a very nudey peachy pink color, really nude, and I have only this. This is the Inglot lip crayon in 14. So let's see how this will look. This is very nude as well. And then on top, she is actually adding a bit of a shimmery, clearish gloss. Because I don't have a shimmery gloss, I will be mixing my Makeup Forever liquid lipstick metallic one in 101 and my cream paint from Moonshot in 805. And as last step, a setting spray. This is my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. Okay guys, and that's it. This is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you like this full face glow. This is definitely not my everyday makeup look, and I usually don't apply as much of everything on my face, but I must admit, you know, I like this. It looks really glowy with a lot of coverage, and the eye makeup, you know, kinda it's okay-ish right now. It's not so bad as when I started and in the middle. Right now it kind of looks okay. Let me know in the comments if you have any YouTuber preferences for my next I follow this YouTuber, because this is really just fun. It's really interesting to, you know, apply makeup using different techniques from different YouTubers, because we are all different, we are doing makeup differently. I will see you in my next video.